Minecraft Deep Ocean Error might look scary, but the fix is simpler than you think. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Minecraft is one of the most popular games worldwide, but errors like Deep Ocean can stop you before you even start. Don't worry, this guide will show you the fixes so you can restore your launcher and dive back into the game smoothly. Method 1. Check Minecraft server status. Minecraft error code Deep Ocean usually occurs when the Minecraft launcher fails to connect properly to your Microsoft account or when system services are misconfigured. The first thing you can do is check Minecraft server status. Sometimes the error isn't on your PC at all, it's due to Minecraft servers being down or under maintenance. Here is how to check it. Open your browser and go to the Mojang status page on X. Look for any reported outages or maintenance updates. If servers are down, wait until they are restored before trying again. Method 2. Run the Gaming Services Repair tool. The error on PC usually occurs when Gaming Services becomes corrupted or misconfigured. Running the Gaming Services Repair tool through the Xbox app repairs or reinstalls these services and fixes broken dependencies that Microsoft needs to launch. It also ensures the Xbox app and Microsoft Store are properly synced with your account. Follow these steps. Go to the official Xbox PC app page. Download and run the installer. If the app is already installed, it will simply launch. Open the Xbox app. Sign in with your Microsoft account if prompted. Click your profile picture in the top left corner. Select Support from the drop-down menu. Run the Gaming Services Repair tool. In Support, choose Getting Services Repair tool. Click Start Troubleshooting. Let the tool repair or reinstall gaming services. Once complete, restart your PC and try launching Minecraft again. Method 3. Launch Minecraft as administrator. Running the launcher with the administrator rights ensures it has the necessary permissions to access files and services. Here is what to do. Navigate to the installation directory of Minecraft. Right-click on the Minecraft.exe file. Select Properties or right-click on the Minecraft shortcut on your desktop and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Check the box Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply and then OK. Relaunch Minecraft. Method 4. Repair or reset Minecraft launcher. If the launcher itself is corrupted, repairing or resetting it can restore functionality without reinstalling the entire game. Follow these steps. Press Windows plus I keys to open settings. Go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Search for Minecraft launcher. Click on it and select Advanced Options. Choose Repair first. If the issue persists, select Reset. Relaunch Minecraft launcher as administrator. Method 5. Reinstall Gaming Services. Gaming Services is a background component required for Microsoft Store games. If it's corrupted, reinstalling it can fix the Deep Ocean error. Press the Windows key and type PowerShell. Right-click and select Run as Administrator. Copy and paste this command. Press Enter and wait for the process to complete. Restart your PC. Reinstall Gaming Services from the Microsoft Store. Launch Minecraft again. Method 6. Reinstall Minecraft game. If none of the above works, a clean reinstall of Minecraft ensures all files are fresh and properly configured. Open Control Panel, go to Programs, then uninstall a program. Find Minecraft in the list. Click Uninstall and confirm. Open your browser and visit the official Minecraft website. Download the latest installer for Windows. Once done, launch Microsoft Minecraft and sign in with your Microsoft account. And that's how you fix Minecraft error code Deep Ocean. By clearing cache, updating Windows, and reinstalling the launcher, you will eliminate startup issues and enjoy Minecraft without interruptions. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe for more practical fixes, and share your own tips in the comments, because your solution might help another player too. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.